With custom cutting, set the width and length of the laptop screen. Place the film vertically in the plotter and make the cut. Move the excess and install the film on the laptop. For an optimal result, use the tablet spatula. If you have bubbles, you can reposition the film. Without the seal, you can also reposition the film. Use the smartphone spatula to remove the remaining bubbles. Protect your most personal data wherever you are.